In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Charles Schwab debit card. If you're hoping to use a Schwab debit card for everyday spending or ATM withdrawals, the key is knowing that it comes with a specific checking account. A regular brokerage account by itself usually won't provide a debit card, so you'll want to start in the right place to avoid delays. First, open a Schwab Bank Investor Checking account. This is the standard, straightforward way to receive a Schwab debit card, and it's designed to pair seamlessly with your investing at Schwab. You can begin the application on Schwab's official website or through their mobile app. During sign-up, take a moment to confirm your legal name and mailing address are correct, since that's where the card will be sent. Next, fund your new checking account. Adding money fully activates the account and gets everything moving. You can transfer from another bank, set up direct deposit, or use options like mobile check deposit or a wire transfer if that's faster for you. Even a modest initial deposit is enough to initialize the account. Just make sure the transfer completes so the card can be issued without hiccups. After you've funded the account, simply wait for your debit card to arrive. You do not need to request it manually. Schwab will automatically mail your card to the address on file, and it typically shows up in about 5 to 10 business days. Keep an eye on your mailbox during that window and plan ahead if you have upcoming travel, since the card will arrive by standard mail. When the envelope arrives, activate your card using the instructions included. You'll be guided to call a secure number or use the app or website to complete activation. During that process, you'll set a personal identification number or PIN for ATM access. Choose a number you can remember but others won't easily guess, and avoid writing it down where it could be found. Here's what you can expect to receive: the Schwab Bank Visa Platinum Debit Card. It's a Visa debit card that works worldwide for purchases and ATM withdrawals, and it supports popular mobile wallets so you can add it to your phone for tap-to-pay convenience. Best of all, this card is automatically included with your investor checking account. No separate application required. That's it. Open the Schwab Bank Investor Checking account, fund it, wait for the automatically mailed card, and activate it to set your PIN. With those steps done, you're ready to use your card in stores, online, at ATMs, and in your mobile wallet.